How to activate GPay account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can activate your GPay account. Now basically all you have to do is once you have completed your application, right, and received an outcome that you can register your account and start shopping, now then what you'll have to do is your account will be activated once you have entered your secure SMS code that you'll get on your phone number, and then you'll have to link a payment method to your account, basically your card or any other sorts of payment method that you want to link to your account. After that, your account will be approved once you have accepted the contract and the TNCs that you'll get. So that is one of the ways. Now if I just head back here and if I just search in for GPay activate account, and if I just head into this first link here, if you scroll down here, you'll get the application and such, and you can see please click here to sign in and finalize your application if you have not already done so. Simply tap on here and you'll be headed into that page where you'll be able to go ahead and activate your account. Right, in my case it's not available in my region, but if it's available on your region you'll be able to do so. So this way you can activate GPay account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.